Hello, Puddins. I'm Harley Quinn. Nice to meet ya. Today, I'm going to show you how to look just like me in my very first makeup tutorial. First, I like to paint my face white using a white face paint. Nothing too fancy, it doesn't have to be expensive. And then, I use an eyeshadow pencil that's white to cover the rest of my eye area, and then I set it all in place with the white face powder. Now my skin matches Mr. J. Now I'm using an eyeshadow palette that has a variety of beautiful rainbow colors. They're all shimmery and they're by Coastal Scents. I'm applying the red shimmery eyeshadow on my right eye. Don't worry about the shadows being messy. I actually find it looks a lot better that way. Now I'm applying a blue eyeshadow to my left eye, and I'm applying it in the same messy manner as the red eyeshadow. Nice and messy, and drag it all the way down to the outer corners of your eyes to really make it look good. Next, I'm taking a black eyeshadow and using a blending crease brush, I'm applying the shadow on the outer corners of my eyes, blending it into the shape of a letter C, right into the crease. Blend the shadow with a fluffy brush to make it look nice and smoky. Now let's apply some eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner pen by Steve Laurent. I'm applying a line, working as close to the lash line as I possibly can, adding a little tail on the very end. You don't need to draw a straight line, you can just work in dashes. It's much easier that way. Now I'm using a Coastal Scents black eyeliner pencil to line my waterline, and my bottom lash line as well. And remember, it's okay if it's a little messy. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now I can curl my eyelashes. Eyelash curlers kind of scare me a little bit because they remind me of Poison Ivy's Venus flytraps in her garden. I'm using a Benefit mascara called Bad Gal Lash. I love that name, Bad Gal. It's just so fitting. Don't forget to coat the bottom lashes too, just enough to make them visible. You don't need too much. And now I can apply fake eyelashes. They make my eyes appear a lot bigger. And they almost look like flower petals, don't you think? Now I can fill in my eyebrows with a light brown eyeshadow and a liner brush. Now for my signature red lips. I'm using a black eyeliner pencil to line my lips and exaggerate the shape of them just a little bit so they look a lot bigger. Now I'm taking a red lip liner and filling my lips in. This way, the red lipstick I put on top will last a lot longer. Now I can apply my favorite red lipstick by Avon. As you can see, when I apply it, it blends into the black liner, creating that ombre effect. Mwah! Finally, onto my hair. You can color your hair with hair dye if you want to, but if you only want a temporary color, you can use hair chalk like me. Just work your hair in small sections. It's a lot easier that way to get the best, brightest color effect. I'm using pink and blue. You may have to adjust your pigtails like me. We're almost done. All I gotta do now is just wash my hands and paint my nails. Perfect. Nice and red. I'm using this nice bright red color by OPI. Now, I'm ready for a night out with my Puddin, Mr. J. You all know him as the Joker. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as I did making it. This was lots of fun. Mwah! Thanks for watching.